Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to create TikTok videos using images only. But before I begin, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing and let's go. Now the first way you can do that is by using templates. So let's start by going and tapping on the plus, and here you need to change from camera to templates. You'll see a list of templates here, and you can go through, pick the one you want, and once you've done that, you can tap on select photos, pick the pictures you want. In my case, I'm going to pick some photos of shirts that I bought recently, and then you tap OK here. Now, as you can see, TikTok is going to create a video with the images you selected, and the template will be applied. You can also change the sounds here, so you go to sounds, and then you can pick whatever category you want, and tap on the sound itself, and then tap on the check mark. Then the sound will be added to the video, and from here you can tap next and post the video as usual. Now this way is a bit limited, so because you will be limited to the template transitions and effects. So the second way is by adding our images and creating the transitions and effects ourselves. So to do that, let's go back to the beginning of the TikTok app, and from here again you need to tap on the button, and beside the record button on the right you're going to tap on upload, and then change to photos here on the top, and then pick the photos you want. I'm going to pick those two here. And then, by the way guys, if you want to check out these shirts, I'm going to leave the link in the descriptions. So TikTok is going to create this default video for us, which has this very boring transitions here and a default sound. So let's get started by changing the sound. So let's go to sounds, and you can pick the one you want, and then you can add it here. And also let's add our own transitions. So let's go to effects, and then on the bottom you tap on transition, and from here you need to drag on the timeline itself, and then put the cursor just before the image changes in here, and then you can scroll to the effects you want, and you can just tap on it to add, and as you can see it added the effect to the video. And to do the same again, you put the cursor just before the images change, and then you add the effect here. And if I go back to the video, you can see that the transitions are now added, and you can go crazy here, do whatever you want. That's up to you. And once you're done doing that, you can click save on top. Another thing you can also add is custom effects. So again, let's go back to effects and visual, and these are the effects here. You can go through the list, and to add the effect, what you need to do is to tap on the effect and hold for the duration you want the effects to be applied. So let's say, for example, I want this effect to be applied for 2 seconds in the video. So I'm just going to tap and hold on gold powder here, for example, 2 seconds, release it, and now as you can see, it is now added to 2 seconds of the video. And again, you can just keep holding that if you want to add for the whole duration of the video. That's up to you. And once you're done, release it, and on top tap save, and you're good to go. You can also add some text here, so just click on text, and let's say I want to say link in bio. Let's say if you're doing some advertising or stuff like that, so tap done. And as you can see here, you can also change the background of the text by clicking on the A here on the very left of the screen, and you can add this background here, for example, and then you can change the color and put here on the top. And once you've done that, you can drag the text anywhere you want, and that is it. So once you're done adding all your effects and transitions, you can tap on next, and then again you can post the video as usual. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.